Hey everyone! Ever been in the middle of downloading a file, only for Chrome to block it right at the last second? It can be frustrating, but don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to stop Chrome from blocking your downloads so you can get your files without any hassle. Imagine you're downloading a video and you're almost done, but then Chrome suddenly stops the download, telling you it's blocked. Why does this happen, and how can you fix it? Here's a step-by-step guide. First, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your Chrome browser. Next, go to Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate to Privacy and Security. You'll see that Enhanced Protection is selected. This option provides faster and proactive protection against dangerous websites, downloads, and extensions. However, it's also the reason Chrome is blocking your downloads, as it might determine certain files are unsafe. To stop Chrome from blocking your downloads, scroll down and select No Protection. A prompt will appear. Click Turn Off. Disabling protection means Chrome will no longer block any downloads, so be cautious when downloading files from unknown sources. Once you've turned off this setting, you can continue with your download, and Chrome won't block it anymore. Whether you're resuming an interrupted download or starting a new one, you'll now be able to download without any interference. And that's how you stop Chrome from blocking your downloads. I hope this was helpful. If you found this video useful, be sure to hit that like button. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.